Kiombegia Top Talent Agency kurwa CNC ya America kegenderete ko bagwikirania emeroberio ao imeyense ya Kenya gati yabo kwenekia buna banyale ko bagutarira Kisukuru na boigo University elio kwena na amagerio ao naki abana abamura na boiga baiseke babonenta ko baba kwenekia buna banyale ko baboigo bakutwara obumanyi igoro yekisegi ichirie chirengete egenga seboigo omwana nyaruka na boigo omwana musubati ya semya kemenge anyarire koba gakunererwa na boigo gotigwa isiko semerobeliyo litukulia lero nige kiombeke kenyara koba gegwikirana seskuru ya baiseke ya kereri yegotoka ime county ya Kisii asebanyara koba komerana amuna borokia na borokiwa boigo na babwatani abechisemi elio kwenekia buna emerobeli go samegire yabo anyare koba gwikira chinyaruka echo ime skuru eyo ya kereri musakyo ito mangana amaya Mildred Momanyi anyara koba gwikirana seskuru ya baiseke ya kereri na boigo toletera orobotiro kubwatia
kiombegia Top Talent Agency kurwa CNC ya Marekani go kiawatiranene kiombegia Civil Tours and Travel Men's ya Kenya ase ogokora itaro yabo ase chiskuru kyoboroso cha secondary amone chechi university asokurwa obosemia na boigo kurwa obokonyi ao gochase aborokiwa bago kwana imeskuru ya baisike ya kerelini gobano batebire ekirenga kyabo anena mono imeyense ya Kenya.
So we're here today to motivate and inspire and educate the girls of the Kareri School. We've been very impressed with them for some time. This is our second visit to the school. We brought speakers, authors, writers, experts to come here and to give them words of wisdom, words of encouragement, and help them with critical thinking skills and really help them with their education and their growth. We've seen over 11,000 students just this week alone from all ages. And at those different schools, we'll do things like computer libraries, water tanks. Sometimes we're sponsoring and offering scholarships for some of the students. The crowd behind me, the experts behind me, they sponsored 7 students just at the Manga School for Girls alone.
Nigo batebire gati emechanderia babire bakwenekia abarukiwa bagwetera gati yabo emechando yechisegi cha nyumba gati yande amange ase baba kwanire buna babwenerete kwerusia ase emechando buniyo
enkeri kraba ukwana mangana abo gender based violence amangana mental health okonyora omwana Gusii yakumanya ebintu bili agwetera bokonguboli nonyo bwa masomo na bali school gari ngonya bale kwetera nende importantly abana bange over 100 banyorire sponsorship na scholarships na hizo networks bago chikokora internships jinsia chiche school.
Extremely passionate about supporting women in gender-based violence, empowering them through self-defense, protecting their mind, their body, and their voice. And in talking to the girls, the other issue that seems really important to address is access to feminine hygiene products. I learned is that the men voice the fact that they felt abandoned.
Omoteneri o Civil Tours and Travel niga kwanire gatialia aborokiwa bakonye kire nase batebire aborokiwa nigo bagweneire bosemya buno boiga elio gokora uya ase amasomabo.
Abana babiri bagoye wa scholarships, abande babiri bakogo bosomi, abande bayirwe bitabu na nonyechi skuru chinde Unyanyapaa nja agachirwe geita naika nambanga girls ili kutoka Nyamira na ereka egwa etangi na aba na nebinte binde buna biri abana abanyaruka batagete focus babwate na abana kobakonya
aya togoso aya abana bagosomegwega nigara yengenje mono besides kali bagosome class mbaga nitiaya egende libanyale kumanyanga ekarwaso kreskali ningi uboneta gukora
niga omwalimu omonene bwe skuru yeyo yakereria gokera egitambukirekyo asebo igatebire nigo barachiko waterana elio gokonya aborokiwa asebo igo gati aborokiwa batabisa omogokobo na gwakambu ya gochase ekyumbekyu
kind of mentorship programs twakwalao chigo cha school gokonya chira abana baiga komanyanga ngakibara kore ba kamchi challenges chekaro kedo chia bacheire so that bachako ba very successful in life boetera this information abagani baito batoretere naende na mangana maya batoretere by providing with the resources na batoko baira ne nambi yamono asengenche ogocha banyako baba gotokonya banyako baba gotobwatesia. We have become partners.
This event has empowered us as young girls who are growing up to be women in the society. It has not only taught us to be good women, but responsible women. When we grow up in the dynamic society, we will contribute positively to.
Ulipotalia igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, iletaliane Mildred Momanyi.